Hello friends, this is my second tatting video. In my first tatting video, we've learned some needle tatting basics. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to make some simple earrings. I'm going to use 6-strand embroidery floss and size 5 tatting needle. Okay, let's thread the needle. Leave a tail about a foot. Start with the center ring. First, make 2 double stitches. 1, 2. Now make a picot. Make 2 double stitches. 1, 2. And then make another picot. So we're gonna make 5 picots in total, and between every 2 picots there's 2 double stitches. Picot 1, 2, picot 1, 2, so 3 picot now. Make another picot. 1, 2. Make another picot. 1 double stitch. 2 double stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 picots. Now we're gonna close the ring. Leave a loop here at the end. Now we're gonna make a knot to lock the ring. You can do like this, or you can turn or do like this. So we've made the center ring. Now we're gonna make these side loops. First make 4 double stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make a picot. Make 4 more double stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are making a chain, so you're gonna pull all the way through. You can go either this way or this way. Depends which way is flatter or smoother. So I'm gonna join in this picot. Like that. You can turn to make the knot. repeat. Do 4 double stitches. 1, 2, 3, whoops, 4, the picot, 1, 2, 3, 4. So do another chain. Gonna turn. Tie the knot. So this is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now picot. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 3 side circles. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, another chain, okay, 2 more circles left, 1 double stitch, 2 double stitches, 3, 4, picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one, tie a knot. Okay, now the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, picot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you go. Here you have your little tatted earring. It's not very flat, but you can easily fix it if you block it. You can just use the same way how you block your crochet work to block your tatted pieces.